Samsung finally supports PayPal. Here's how to add it. 2026. Big news for Samsung users. You can now add PayPal as a payment method to your Samsung account. If you've been waiting for this feature, let me show you how to set it up in less than 1 minute. First, open your Samsung Galaxy device settings, then tap on Samsung account profile. Now select payment methods. If PayPal is available in your region, you'll see it listed as a payment option. Tap on PayPal. You'll be redirected to the official PayPal sign-in page. Enter your PayPal email and password, then log in. Review the permissions and tap Agree or Link Account to connect PayPal with your Samsung account. Keep in mind that PayPal support may vary by country or region. If you don't see the PayPal option yet, make sure your phone is updated and check again later, as Samsung is rolling out the feature gradually. And that's it. Your Samsung account is now linked to PayPal. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.